Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, unlatch and remove the base cover. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Then, flip the front panel over to access the inside of the system. Identify the optical drive and disconnect the cables. Flip the front panel back over and unlatch the drive to remove it. To reinstall the optical drive, slide it back into the system until it clicks. Flip the front panel over and reconnect the cables. Flip the front panel over to cover the system. Secure the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.